Namaste everyone, I'm Niu.
And I'm Abhi. Welcome to Fact versus Fiction.
There's a lot of confusion and concern out there, especially from parents, about what AI and tech will really mean for their children's education.
That's why Intel and Times of India launched the Learning Curve. This initiative was built to address the gap between the potential that tech has to revolutionize learning and how we perceive it. And this series, part of the larger initiative, will fact-check fears around AI in education. With the first episode, we are tackling 3 of the biggest fears head-on.
1. AI will replace teachers. 2. Technology isn't suitable for young children. And 3. Tech will destroy traditional skills.
Let's start with the big one. Will AI replace teachers?
Here's the thing, AI doesn't replace teachers, it empowers them. Just like GPS navigation empowers drivers to be better navigators who can focus on safe driving instead of reading maps.
In fact, AI PCs actually increase teacher-student interaction. AI handles routine tasks like grading quizzes and making summaries so teachers can focus on mentoring. The NCERT's work towards AI integration frameworks also supports this.
This is exactly what Intel is leading, making AI more accessible to solve the student-teacher ratio problem. When AI handles routine tasks, teachers get more time for direct mentoring and personalized guidance with each student.
Take this story from Jhansi. Mohanlal Suman, a government school teacher, created an AI-powered humanoid called AI Ma'am, which teaches subjects, answers questions patiently, and attendance shot from around 65% to 95%. As one student said, "We now feel safe asking any question." That's the kind of engagement AI can bring into classrooms.
So no, AI isn't replacing teachers, it's empowering them to connect better with each student.
Now, myth number 2. Technology doesn't help young children learn better.
The Intel and TUI survey also showed that their biggest fear around education was that AI might reduce original thinking and human connection.
This one really surprised us because research actually shows AI helps address challenges like learning gaps and large class sizes, especially in India, where teacher-student ratios are often stretched. In fact, India has 24.8 crore students, but nearly half of our schools lack digital infrastructure. AI helps bridge that gap.
Interestingly, when parents were asked how they would want PCs to be used, helping with school assignments and research was their top response, showing that they already see them as an educational tool, not just entertainment. Even MIT's educational research confirms that students recognize AI tools as important for their future and want to understand both how to use them and its impact on the world.
Our take? AI can help teachers give more personalized attention to the younger ones, strengthening their fundamentals and preparing them for more advanced learning. Finally, the fear that technology destroys traditional skills.
We already know that AI allows teachers to spend more personal time with students, focusing on direct mentoring rather than just information delivery.
And now, research shows AI-powered learning improves test scores more than traditional methods by adjusting to a child's pace, slowing down for topics they struggle with, speeding up where they are confident.
The survey data supports this perfectly. When parents understood their practical benefits, they wanted their kids using laptops, both for completing assignments effectively and exploring new skills.
So here's our takeaway for parents. Technology isn't the enemy of human connection. It's the bridge to deeper, more meaningful learning.
Intel is leading the shift in how we see AI in education. It's not about replacing teachers or traditional methods, but using AI to personalize learning, bridge gaps, and unlock the full potential of every student.
Visit the learningcurve.ai now to discover how AI can truly transform your child's education. You'll find mythbusters, explainers, and infographics to support your family's learning journey.
Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.